Hello students and welcome to your English language class. In today's class, we'll continue reading the chapter The Bond of Love, written by Kenneth Anderson. Now, we've already read till here that the sloth bear Bruno accidentally consumed poison, barium carbonate, and when the author came to know about that, he just um, rushed him to the doctor, to the vet, and let's read further. Out came his medical books, and a feverish reference to index began. So the veterinary doctor, he just started referring his medical books. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate. Ah, yes, barium salts, barium carbonate. So he's sounding as if he's looking into the book and he's searching for the antidote of barium carbonate. Symptoms: paralysis. Treatment: injections of, just a minute sir, I'll bring my syringe and the medicine. So finally he came to know that what is the antidote and which injection will save the sloth bear's life. A dash back to the car, Bruno still floundering about on his stumps, but clearly weakening rapidly, some vomiting, heavy breathing with heaving flanks and gaping mouth. Now, obviously, he had consumed barium carbonate, which is just like a poison. So, the sloth bear started vomiting and he was breathing heavily. And he was just opening his mouth. Um, he was not able to breathe properly, and he was struggling to move. It was just like the attack of paralysis. Now, hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. 10 cc of the antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. Now, hypodermic means a long needle used to give an injection under the skin. So, obviously, it's a sloth bear with lots of fur and a very thick skin. So, a long needle was needed to put in the antidote or the injection. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Even after 10 minutes, nothing happened. Another 10 cc injected. 10 minutes later, breathing less. Breathing less stertorous. Stertorous means noisy breathing. अब जो पहले उसकी जैसे वो सांस ले रहा था उसमें जो एक नॉइस थी, एक अजीब सी आवाज़ जो आ रही थी एज इफ ही स्नोरिंग, अब वो आवाज़ धीरे धीरे कम होती जा रही थी. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand yet. So धीरे धीरे that antidote was working and he was able to move his arms and legs, but still he cannot stand yet. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. Or 30 minutes के बाद he was all right. He just got up and he had a great feed. That means he ate a lot. He looks at us disdainfully. He looks at us disrespectfully. He was not very happy to get that injection. As much as to say, what's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Bruno is still eating. Now, he was least bothered that whatever he had consumed, it's not gonna make much of a difference to his huge body, because he's very strong and unlike humans, he can endure a lot. Now, another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil, which I had drained from the sump, or from the inner tank of the stud baker, and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. Now, again, the author had drained out some old engine oil, almost 1 gallon. That's a huge amount, and he just kept it there. And what he did, Bruno he promptly drank the lot, but it had no ill effects whatever. And again, nothing happened to Bruno this time also. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. अब आपको पता है एनिमल्स बहुत जल्दी साइज गेन करते हैं अनलाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, तो विद इन मंथ्स ही वॉज अटेनिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वेट एंड ही वॉज गेनिंग अ लॉट ऑफ हाइट. He had equaled the Alsatians in height and had even outgrown them. जो Alsatian dogs थे उनसे भी अब वो बड़ा नज़र आता था within few months. But was just as sweet, just as mischievous, just as playful. Okay, and he was very fond of us all. He loved the company of Arthur, his wife, and all the people living in their family. Above all, he loved my wife, and she loved him too. She had changed his name from Bruno to Baba, a Hindustani word signifying small boy. अब उसकी जो वाइफ थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली अटैच थी ब्रूनो के साथ, तो उन्होंने ब्रूनो का नाम चेंज करके बाबा रख दिया था, जैसे कि छोटे बच्चे को इंडिया में बुलाया जाता है हिंदुस्तानी जैसे परंपरा में होता है. एंड ही कुड डू अ फ्यू ट्रिक्स टू. At the command Baba wrestle or Baba box, he vigorously tackled anyone who came forward for a rough and tumble. और जैसे ही उसको कहा जाता था कि बाबा रेसल और बाबा बॉक्स, तो ही स्टार्टेड बॉक्सिंग एंड ही स्टार्टेड रेसलिंग. ओके, गिव हिम अ स्टिक एंड से बाबा होल्ड गन एंड ही पॉइंटेड द स्टिक एट यू. Now he has learnt all these tricks, and whenever somebody held him a stick, then he would point it just like a gun. Okay. Ask him, Baba, where's baby? And he immediately produced and cradled affectionately a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bed. अब एक वुडन लॉग था, एक छोटा सा लकड़ी का टुकड़ा था, उसको वो अपना बेबी की तरह उसको कंसिडर करता था, एंड ही वॉज वेरी मच अटैच्ड विद दैट, और उसको वो अपने स्ट्रॉ बेड में छुपा के रखता था. But because of the tenants' children, poor Bruno और बाबा had to be kept chained most of the time. लेकिन अब वहाँ पे टेनेंट्स के चिल्ड्रन भी रहते थे उसी बंगलों में, तो ब्रूनो को ही वॉज केप्ट चेन्ड. ओके, उसको चेन से बांध के रखना पड़ता था. Then my son and I advised my wife and friends advised her to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. Now obviously वो एक बियर था और उसको आप एक पेट की तरह तो नहीं रख सकते थे घर में, तो जो ऑथर है और उसका जो ऑथर का बेटा था और जो उनके फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने जो ऑथर की वाइफ थी उसको एडवाइस किया कि बाबा को आप जो मैसूर में ज़ू है वहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दीजिए, because he was getting too big to be kept at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. अब बहुत उसको जब थोड़ा कन्विंस किया गया, बहुत बार बोला गया, तो फर्दर जो at last she agreed. Hastily and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo. Curator means the official in charge of the zoo. ठीक है, तो इससे पहले कि वो जो ऑथर की वाइफ है वो अपना माइंड चेंज करती, उन्होंने फटाफट एक लेटर लिखा और वो जो ज़ू के क्यूरेटर थे, ऑफिशियल इंचार्ज थे, उनको लिखा. डिड ही वांट अ टेम बियर फॉर हिज कलेक्शन? He replied yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles, and Baba was packed off. Now, the zoo made all the arrangements that the sloth bear reaches Mysore safely, so they sent a cage in a lorry, and the sloth bear traveled a distance of 87 miles and reached Mysore safely. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. My wife was inconsolable. अब जो ऑथर और उनकी फैमिली थी वो उसको मिस तो ज़रूर कर रहे थे, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं रिलीव्ड भी फील कर रहे थे. दे वर फीलिंग रिलैक्स्ड कि अब उन्हें इतना ज़्यादा जो स्लॉथ बियर है उसकी देखभाल नहीं करनी पड़ेगी और परेशानी नहीं उठानी पड़ेगी. लेकिन ऑथर की वाइफ बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच थी, इमोशनल थी उसको लेकर, सो शी वॉज इनकॉन्सलेबल. उनको समझाना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो रहा था. शी वेप्ड एंड फ्रेटेड. शी वॉज रियली वरिड अबाउट द स्लॉथ बेयर. For the first few days, she would not eat a thing. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came the replies, well, but fretting. He refuses food too. अब वो वहाँ से रिप्लाई आता है कि ही इज़ वेल बट ही इज़ रिफ्यूजिंग टू eat food. Okay, and he's really worried and anxious. He's not behaving properly. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. अब जब ऐसा रिप्लाई आया तो उसके बाद जो मैसूर में ऑथर के फ्रेंड्स थे उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया गया टू पे अ विजिट टू द जू एंड जस्ट go and look at Baba. How is he doing? He reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. Okay, now obviously he was not eating properly, so he had lost a lot of weight and he was looking very thin, and obviously he was very sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. Okay, he was worried, he was unhappy, he was not at all happy to be there. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. Author's wife was quite adamant that she should visit the zoo and have a look at Baba herself. Okay, she was really concerned about Baba's well being, so she wanted to visit him. So finally, author said, okay, fine, we'll be going by car. Okay, and we'll just go there and see how Baba is doing. So, okay, the rest of the story we'll be taking up in the next class. Till then, you just read the story and mark all the difficult words. Okay, and if you've got any problem, you can ask me in the group. Okay, thank you for watching this video.